tension steady on lines 3 and 4.
We have a starboard list. Easy on the slack.
Roger that. Maintaining course.
All right, set the blocks now. Lower slowly. We're clear on this side. It's moving. Keep going. Watch the line. It's almost clear.
Look at this corrosion near the wing box. It's just falling apart. Noted.
The structural integrity here is basically zero. All right, wrap up the hoses. We're done for the day.
Copy that. Moving the pressure washer now.
Crane operator, you are cleared to descend. Maintain present course. We are guiding you to the center pad. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Watch the clearance on the left. All right, hold that traffic. We're clear up ahead. Easy on the right side. Keep it coming straight back.
10 feet to the line. Hold it up, hold it up.
The inlet corrosion on engine 3 is severe.
Log that on the tablet. We need to prioritize the structural integrity here.
Look at the state of these fan blades, completely seized.
I've logged the pitting depth. The corrosion around the cowling is significant.
See that? We're looking at major replacement here. This rust is worse than we thought. Look at the overhead panel.
Yeah, and there's water damage all on the floor.
The stress fracture on the inboard flap is extensive.
Copy that. Uploading the thermal image now.
We need a closer look at the landing gear corrosion.
Check the slings for clearance.
Slings are clear. Tension is good.
Roger. Slow lift initiated.
Watch the starboard side. Clear the pylon. Steady on the lift. Coming up. All right, lowering into the cradle now.
The heat damage on the nozzle is severe. We need to document this extensively.
I agree. The external plumbing measurements show critical corrosion here.
All right, team, let's secure the cradles before we start the pressure wash.
Copy. Securing cradle 4.
Clear the area. We're lifting the truck now. Got the stabilizer secured. All right, slowly increase the pressure.
The readings here are still showing red.
Try recalibrating the scanner. It might be the rust interfering.
This pin is completely sheared. Make sure you highlight that. Got it. The actuator points are heavily compromised too.
Watch the sparks on section 4. Copy that. Lifting the panel now.
Okay, easy now. Watch the alignment on that rib.
Looks good here. We're flush with the spar.
Okay, this blade is finally coming free.
Careful, watch the core. The internal damage here is significant.
This diagram shows the clearance should be tighter here.
Let me adjust the setting on the tool. Bringing the pressure up slowly now. Watch the stress points.
Reading 5,000. Looks good. The pitting seems stable.
Did you verify the actuator linkage?
Yes, item 4B is complete on the checklist.
Watch your clearance on the right side. Coming down slowly. Hold, we're in.
Okay, the bolt is seated.
I've got the wrench on it now.
Clear on hydraulics.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Clear. Lower another 2 inches.
Lower it slowly. Watch the starboard hinge.
Confirmed, coming down 5 inches.
Clearance looks good here, boss. Ready for the lines.
All right, apply the torque wrench now.
2 clicks and it's secure.
Perfect. Let's inspect the adjustment mechanism.
Confirming alignment on pylon 2.
Roger that. Bring it down another 2 centimeters.
All right, push it forward slowly. Lugs are aligned. Roger that. Insert the forward bolt.
Final torque applied to the fuel manifold.
Hydraulic return line is safetied.
Electrical harness connected and locked.
Bring it down 5 centimeters, easy now. Copy that, watching the clearance on the inboard strut. Looks good from here, steady.
Ground check on engine 3 complete.
Roger that, moving to engine 4.
Did you inspect the leading edge of the wing?
Yes, the golden coat is perfect. I found no runs.
We need another 2 inches starboard.
Okay, adjusting now. How's the level look?
Dead on, sir. We're clear on the fuselage. How are the engines looking?
Engine 4 looks solid.
The overhead fixtures are secured and the ducting looks pristine.
Our VSM check's complete. We are clear for sign-off on this section.
Power cables secured on bus 1.
Confirming connection. Ready for power up.
Left side clear, keep coming slowly. Copy, slow and steady. Keep it coming straight, watch your wingtip clearance. Roger that, clear on the left, slow and steady.
The panel alignment here is superb. Absolutely, and the finish on the engine blades is remarkable. Confirmed. No discrepancies found on the fuselage or power plant.
Stand by for ignition. Ignition confirmed, N1 increasing.
"50 years, and she's finally done."
Incredible work, everyone.
Best team in the business.
The floor and roller system are perfect.
Hydraulics are holding steady. We are fully deployed.
Ground power secured, clear to disconnect.
Roger, cabin secure. Starting in engines 2 and 3.
Globemaster 39er concluding taxi to parking.
Roger that. Welcome home. Great job.
Gentlemen, welcome back. It's an honor. You guys are miracle workers. The impossible tack achieved.